day 2 with this camera, and I tried some things that I wouldn't normally try, so I'm getting a little more used to flying 5-inch. I've been on the Tiny Hawk 2 for a while, so it was quite a switch going from that to this guy. One of the Joshua Bardwell builds. So first 5-inch, only have about 2 hours of flying time on it, and I'm getting better, maybe. So no crashing. That was a whole pack, pretty good. Felt pretty good about that one, and feeling a little more comfortable with this one. So I'll probably put another pack in right now, actually, and we'll go for another one. So let's do it. such a beautiful day for Wisconsin though. It's November and it's 55 degrees, so just really nice. The thing I like about this camera, that I'm really liking about it, is that I can take it off. Which way was I? I could take it off and put it right on the quad, but I guess I do have to stop the video and start another one because I have to mount it like this, and that would be upside down. So, or maybe not. Does it switch? I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, it's upside down. So we're gonna start a new video. That's better. Boom. Ready to rock and roll. Let's go this way. Maybe. don't think that battery was quite as successful, but no crashes and still feeling better. So it's really dark, probably done for the day, but I had a pretty good day of flying. I got like 4 or 5 batteries in, so I pretty happy with how things are going. But anyways, yeah, that's about it. That's about gonna do it. This camera's pretty sick, pretty happy with it so far. I gotta make a case for it because I'm scared to crash it. I'm really scared to crash it. But yeah, I don't wanna break it. So I'm gonna make a 3D printed mount for it out of TPU or something. But anyways, until next time, that's been day 2 of 5-inch. So peace out.